Unlock the power of Gemini 2.5 Pro directly within your Visual Studio Code editor, completely free. First, open Visual Studio Code, navigate to the Extensions view by clicking the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X in the search bar at the top. Type Gemini. You'll want to look for the official Google Gemini extension, usually labeled with the publisher as Google. Click on this extension to view its details. On the extensions page, you'll see an Install button. Click this to add Gemini 2.5 Pro's AI capabilities to your VS Code environment. Once installed, the Gemini extension will likely present you with a welcome message or prompt. This is your entry point to start interacting with the AI. You can now begin using Gemini for a variety of tasks. For example, try highlighting a section of your code and looking for context menu options or sidebar panels that suggest AI assistance. To leverage its free capabilities, you might be using a trial period, or the extension might offer access to certain features. Without a subscription, explore the extension's documentation for specific details on free tier limitations and features. Open the Gemini chat interface, often accessible through a dedicated icon or command palette here. You can ask natural language questions about your code, request explanations, or even ask for code generation based on your descriptions. By following these steps, you can integrate Gemini 2.5 Pro's advanced AI features into your daily coding workflow within Visual Studio Code, boosting your productivity without any upfront cost. Happy coding with your new AI partner.